You are listening to the Living Water 2020, the daily reflections for today's Catholic. November 10, 2020. Thank you. Would he be grateful to the servant who was only carrying out his orders? Luke chapter 17, verse 9. Salamat, thank you, merci, gracias, arigato. These are just a few foreign words of expressing appreciation and thanks. Being in the food service industry, I appreciate clients who go out of their way to thank us for the service rendered. The words of appreciation inspire us to keep up the good work, strive for consistency, and continue to give quality service. The thank you builds up and validates our existence. Do we give thanks? Our household helpers are a blessing. I always say, I am more productive at work because of their selfless services. So, I pray for them every day and try to assist in their financial, emotional, and spiritual needs. Most importantly, we bring them closer to Jesus. Now, our helpers have their own cell groups and do missionary work. With Christ binding us, our home is more peaceful. Isn't that a great reason to be more grateful? By Tabi Esquerra. Lord, thank you for our household helpers. Bless and enrich their lives with your presence. Amen. Wise words. It is to those who have the most need of us that we ought to show our love more especially. By Saint Francis de Sales. For daily updates, please click like and subscribe.